Let's add Google Maps to your Flutter app and replace the boring marker with this fancy one. The first step is getting an API key for both Android and iOS. Navigate to Google Cloud Console, create a brand new project or choose an existing one. In API and Services, select Library, then enable Maps SDK for both Android and iOS. At the top of credential page, click on the Create Credentials, then select an API key. The next step is adding Google Flutter Map package to your dependencies. Afterward, we need to make few configurations for both Android and iOS. Set the minimum SDK version to 20 in build.gradle. Specify your API key in the application main phase. The key you created earlier should be replaced with your key here. For iOS, copy appdelegate.swift code. Replace it and don't forget to add your API key. Having configured everything, it's time to display the map. Create a screen called MapScreen that is a stateful widget. Define Google Map as a scaffold body. initialCameraPosition is required, which can either be user's current location or fixed latitude and longitude. In order to simplify things, I'm using a fixed location. By default, the map looks like this because the zoom is set to 0. It is your choice how much zoom you want. 14 seems work well for me. Let's see how we can add a marker to our map to identify a specific location. There is a markers parameter on Google Map that accepts a set of marker. In addition to the marker ID, we have to provide the position. Marker is draggable by touch events if draggable is set to true. You will receive the updated position at onDrag end. You can use your own custom marker icon. In order to do that, create a variable called markerIcon. Create a function called addMarker that updates the marker icon. The reason I'm using from asset is that I added my marker icon locally. Make sure you call addMarkerIcon on initial state. Go back to the Google Map widget, set the icon to markerIcon, and restart the app. There is now much more professional look to the map, and you are still able to drag the custom icon. In the next video, we'll learn how to specify a certain area on the map using polygons